Asteroids are among the oldest celestial bodies in the solar system. As floating fossils that witnessed Earth's primordial stages, they convey key information about the origin of life, as they are believed to have delivered the elements of life to Earth during its early stages.
Asteroids are fascinating celestial bodies that are somehow misunderstood. The asteroids hold the answers to many of the secrets that can help us to understand our own planet.
In addition to asteroids, comets and other small bodies offer clues that can help us understand Earth. Comets are very similar to asteroids. Both are remnants of the very distant past, like flying fossils from the origin of the solar system. However, while asteroids consist of metals and rocky material, comets are made up of ice, dust, rocky materials, and organic compounds.
A comet is an object that shows activity, and asteroids generally don't, although there are rare occasions of asteroids that show activity as well. The comets typically have a very eccentric orbit. So when it comes closer to the sunlight warms the gases and ices in the comet and creates a gas and dust tail.
2 missions targeting comets have helped us to unveil some of their secrets. NASA's Deep Impact Mission and ESA's Rosetta Mission, one of the most important missions led by the European Space Agency. In 2005, some of our ideas about the formation of comets and their role in delivering the elements of life to Earth changed thanks to NASA's Deep Impact Mission, which was a pioneer in the study of these mysterious and beautiful celestial bodies. The probe reached the comet Tempel 1 on July 3, 2005, and the following day it successfully released an impactor on the surface of the comet, which generated a brilliant flash of light, later discovered to be ice and dust debris ejecting from the fresh impact crater. The Deep Impact Mission was the first attempt to peer beneath the surface of a comet. It revealed a number of new findings about comets and their composition, including evidence of water ice and organic materials.
The Deep Impact Mission was a wonderful example of the kinds of technology that we want to have available to us in the future for deflecting the trajectory of a potentially hazardous object. Deep Impact was purposely targeted to impact the nucleus of Comet Tempel 1, not for the purpose of pushing it off course, but for the purpose of studying what the subsurface properties of that comet are like. The side benefit, of course, was this is the first time we'd ever done something like this, purposely targeting a spacecraft to slam into a small object in the near-Earth environment. And so it was a great accidental practice, if you will. It was an unintentional practice of the kinetic impact method of deflecting asteroids.
However, we had to wait almost a decade until the next mission to a comet to discover more about these mysterious celestial bodies. It was ESA's Rosetta Mission, a spacecraft sent to the 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko comet by the European Space Agency, that gave us new evidences about comets. On November 12, 2014, an unbelievable milestone was reached when it successfully deployed its Philae probe on the comet's surface. The first time in history that such an extraordinary feat was achieved. Rosetta gathered significant data on the comet. It revealed that it had a remarkable array of surface features and many processes which contributed to its activity, painting a complex picture of its evolution.
Coming in with the Rosetta mission, one of the strong motivation was whether or not comets played a role in delivering water to the Earth or potentially even organic compounds. I believe some of the outcomes from the Rosetta mission are now clearly showing that the comet didn't really play much of a role in delivering water to the Earth. We can look at isotopes of hydrogen, for instance, and deuterium on the comet, and they have distinct properties to what we find on water on Earth. And so there doesn't seem to be much room for delivery of water from comets. So that is an important aspect. Regarding the organic material, this is still an ongoing debate. Clearly, comets contain lots of organics, and so in principle, there is an opportunity to deliver organic material to the surface of the Earth, but it's totally unclear whether or not they actually played any significant role in the, let's say, formation of complex organics on Earth that eventually led to the formation of life.
The main shocking conclusion after all the data gathered was analyzed was that comets didn't bring water to Earth.